Good afternoon. My name is Ernesto Pacheco, and I'm coming to you live from my office in Aurora, Illinois. I'm a fiduciary investment advisor, and I'm reaching out to invite you to Retirement 101 Educational Workshop. We'll be hosting on Tuesday, November 27th, and Wednesday, December 5th. These workshops will be held at the Gina Santori Aurora Public Library in room 142. This educational workshop is going to be fun and for educational purposes only. I'll be covering important topics that concern people that are thinking about retirement, those that have recently retired, or even those of you that want to plan what your retirement will look like in 20 or 30 years. Topics that derail retirement plans. Things such as avoiding the fatal fluctuations. What is sequence risk? How do private pension plans work? What about healthcare in retirement? And much more. So if you have questions like these, come and join us. Again, this is an educational workshop and seating is limited, so go ahead and contact us to reserve your seat. Our contact information is on the flyer attached to this. Thank you again, and hopefully we'll see you then. Take care.